Hello, my name's Titus Anderson, and today I get to show you how to use HTML editing through Kompozer, a WYSIWYG editor, which means what you see is what you get. First, we're going to start off by talking about the normal view, the HTML tag view, and the source view. We can also talk about preview view. So say you want to write some code, and you want to get into writing some HTML documentation. Well, first what you want to do is get a little bit familiar with HTML. So we're going to click on source. This is the basic source code for this HTML document. Within this body portion is where we're going to first work. So to create a first heading, I'm going to put in h1 tag and call this is my first heading. I will close that tag. Doesn't look like that much happened. Now let's go over to our viewing mode, preview mode here. This is my first heading. Now let's keep going a little bit. Let's do 2 more headings. I'll be sure to close that tag as well. Probably the most complicated part of writing HTML code from the beginning is opening and closing tags and making sure that you have closed an open tag or you don't have an end tag on something that hasn't been opened. So I've got my H2 here opening, H2 closing. Let's go look at our normal view again. You can see second heading. As I said earlier, let's do a couple more here. H3, now let's go look at the normal view again. As you can see, they're all descending in size as you go down in different headings. Another thing you'll notice is when we click on here, it's already got the tag in the heading 1 here. Heading 2, heading 3, and heading 4. Another neat thing you can do once you've gotten into this a little bit is creating a style sheet. So first I'm going to put in some paragraph text here. This would be where your content would go. Underneath each heading, the paragraph would be the same size all throughout, whereas the headings change as they go higher in number. So paragraph 1, this is my first paragraph. Let's go take a look at the view again. As you can see, it's fairly similar in size to the 4th heading, so why don't we move that for the sake of demonstration. We're going to move that underneath heading 1. We'll take a look at the source code again. Neat. And one thing you can check out here is that it is a paragraph text. Another neat thing you can do, as I was saying before I got into doing the paragraph, is that you can attach a style sheet. Whereas this may seem kind of drab and boring, white on black or black on white text here, very basic, you can manipulate all those things to get the desired effect that you want. So the body portion of the HTML is down here. That's where your content goes. The head portion is where you have information about that content. For example, I'm going to attach a style sheet in here. I'm going to move all the way over to my off screen. I'm copying a style sheet that I've manipulated from W3 Schools. So right here, I'm going to grab all of this, paste in my style sheet. Now what you can see here is in between the two style tags, opening and closing, Paragraph, that has some styles associated with the paragraph tag now. H1, that has some styles associated with it, the color, the text alignment. The body, the whole page, has a background color now. So I'm going to go and look at this now within the normal view. As you can see, here's some remnants of my first exercise, but overall that style sheet governs what comes out in the output. So hopefully I've shown you a few things about Kompozer, basically showing you the styles that you can create as headings, as well as a style sheet to manipulate your overall document. If you have more information or you need to get more information from me, please email me at titus.anderson@mnsu.edu. Otherwise, have at her. I hope you guys have a great day.